Hello, this is DeMartini RV Sales, and you're looking at the 2016 Forest River Forester MBS 2401W. This coach is built on a Mercedes Sprinter chassis and powered by a Mercedes 3.0-liter diesel engine. This coach features a full wall slide-out. The slide-out goes all the way from the front of the coach to the rear. There's a large U-shaped dinette to seat lots of people, cherry wood cabinetry. You have a cooktop, a convection microwave. There's a queen size bed, LCD TV, a large bathroom. This coach comes with a Dyson cordless vacuum, a 3-camera rear vision system, an Onan 3.6 kilowatt LP generator. This coach also has full body paint on the outside, rear stabilizer jacks. There's a DVD player in the bedroom. You have a surround sound with subwoofer. There's lots of room for extra storage or sleeping up top in the overhead bunk. Check out this coach and more on our website, DeMartiniRV.com.